And we're back. We are doing piano music, I guess, in 8-bit, which is awesome. I just have to figure out how to turn this auto lock thing off quickly. Yay, never. Great. Back here, and then back to this virtual keyboard. Wow, that is not updating at all. Why is that so slow? Hold on a second. Let me try and make this a little bit quicker. Connection. Let's see. Default scale. Default size. Let's do that. Is that a little bit faster? Wow. This is really slow. I may have to not... Yeah, I may have to not show this because it's basically doing what this is. It's very slow though. Okay, we do it like this. And let's see. How quick is that? What is this? Why can't I play this? Stop! Okay, fine. I'm going to close this app. I actually thought, I didn't think of trying this before the stream started, unfortunately. But let me see if this will just play without being broken. Is that, how audible is that? What is this doing? This thing is so weird. I haven't loaded this app in a very long time and it's totally freaking out. Okay. Okay, fine. That's not gonna work. Boo! But what we will do is we'll check out a site that someone in chat linked to. I think it was Hello Vermat. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Sorry if I'm not. One word. Tabnabo.com. Woohoo! It's a very ugly site. A little. This looks very ugly. And I don't really know what I'm looking for here. Let's see. Wow, there's lots of different artists here though. What is the name of the artist that did this? This is Mark Northam. Or Bear McCreary. Oh my gosh. Okay. Any bears there? Beethoven, Beastie Boys. Bear McCreary? Wow. I did not expect to find that. The Walking Dead theme. Wow. That's really interesting, actually. That's really interesting. Okay, so this looks like an easier way to... What is this doing? Go away. This looks like an easier way to find the chords out. A MIDI file. What does this actually open in? Oh, QuickTime. No, that doesn't look right. Let's see if we can open this MIDI file in VLC. Wow, something is slowing my machine down. Ooh, let's not put that on screen. Let's see, VLC. Will that open MIDI files? No. iTunes? If that works, I'd be surprised. So it's also not advertise Kiwi Radio. No, that did not work. That did not work. How am I supposed to play this? What does this do? It's just going to download it, isn't it? I don't want to do that. So, none of these are the songs I want to compose in this thing. Let's try it though. Let's try it with what's there. Okay. Let's take this off. Basically, the important parts are the stuff that we said over here, although the number of instruments may be different. And yeah, this is an awful sight. Anyway, this is important. This stuff down here is important, but this and the actual notes may change. So let's try this. We could do that. Actually, that's an interesting suggestion. So I'll just Google for that. Oh, this is going to be like the number of lyric sites and tab sites. Feel to me to be equally dodgy. This guy's composed a lot of stuff, though. So this is that second series between the original Battlestar Galactica and the spin-off Caprica. I wonder... Hey! How's it going, Demon Wolf? Thank you for that. You're a Twitch Prime sub. That's awesome. What's that like, by the way? Welcome if you're joining from Demon Wolf stream. I am messing about with JavaScript and 8-bit music. You are sending me down a rabbit hole, but it's fine. Well, that's good to hear, Demon Wolf. That's good to hear. Okay, now that I've successfully... Oh yeah. Now that I've successfully wasted 5 minutes just looking for tabs, I'm going to go back to iTunes and I'm going to try and figure it out on my own. Okay, so it sounds like two instruments again, left hand and right hand, because it's piano. I like this ratio, but I may adjust this to be slightly softer so that the left hand's, like the bass keys stuff, is louder than the treble key. Music! Music! Okay. I'll do that. Also, let me make iTunes a little bit smaller. Okay. So, what are these keys? The age-old question. So, left, note. I'm going to say it sounds like two keys that are playing here. Actually, let's have a look on YouTube because I'm lacking confidence now. Theme, piano. Let's see if we can actually find someone playing this on piano. Whee! So zoom. That looks like G and A sharp. So this seems like 4/4, although maybe it's not. It seems like 4/4. Put your volume up, Sphere. Yeah. Snivels! How's it going? This seems like 4/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to say 2 whole notes of 4 beats each. And then, what did I say these were again? G and A sharp. So let's say G, A sharp. Okay, and we need to work out which set this is. What's the word? What's the word for these brackets of notes here? Key. Which key this is? That's it. Right. Okay, fine. So counting, because I can see that's pretty much in focus, and assuming that this is a full-length piano example that I've got here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to say it is G3 and A sharp 3. G3, A sharp 3. I think that's the notation for it. Let me just open up the other one just to figure out where the keys numbers are. What is that still doing? Playing music? Stop. Mute. Yes, that's right. Okay, so it is the key, the note, where have I got sharps here? Okay, yeah, it is the note and then the key that it is, and sharp symbol goes between there. Okay, fine. Let's try that. That doesn't seem right. Okay, notice though, with the sustain here, it had an almost imperceptible gap between the two notes, so that was good, but it doesn't seem... Well, it could be. It could be. What if they were both a bit soft? What if the left was a little bit softer? Okay. What, I wish there was a better angle of this, though. That's the thing. Is this a better angle of this? I mean, it's very prettily composed in terms of camera angles and stuff, but it's very difficult to see what the notes are. And I really want to see what the notes are.
Greetings, it's Torley, and I'm going to show you how to play the theme song, opening titles, to Caprica. The music's originally composed by Bear McCreary.
Thank you, Torley.
My left hand.
Okay.
So it's related to me. Really work for a real virtual world.
There we go. Oh, that shows exactly what it is. That's awesome. Okay, so I was very far off, actually. It was A sharp, but it was D. A sharp D. Okay, so that's what that was. A sharp D. Okay, so A sharp D. By the way, the keys are, they start over here at C and they end over here at G? E, sorry. They start at C and they end at E. Yeah, so anyway, let's try some more. You know, I was actually close. I'm going to go a little bit back here. Check this out. It is actually alternating between G, not G sharp, but G, A sharp, G, and D. So let's see. How do we do this? Because it's the D goes down, and then it's A sharp, A sharp, G, A sharp, G. So how do we encode that in this music? That's interesting. It seems like a quarter note that it switches between the A sharp and the G. So what if we said these were all quarters, keeping the D and then going A sharp, G, A sharp, G. Oh, not that. What does this sound like? got it the wrong way around. There's a G and then A sharp. Let's go a little bit back. It was the right way around.
That.
Thank you, Tolly. What's that very first note? Yeah, it is the A sharp. It is the A sharp first. Needs more sawtooth. No, that stuff's horrible. I'm never putting it on again. It is this way around, though. Look, A sharp and then G, and then A sharp and then G. And then it goes here. What key is that? D sharp and A sharp, F sharp. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So maybe do this. What does it look like when we double that? I think something else is happening though. If I had to guess, I'd say something else is happening there. Okay. I think that's fine. Oh, I don't want to do that. I think that's fine for sort of like the first 2 bars, and then it goes to back here. It goes to D sharp, A sharp, F sharp, and repeats that. D sharp, A sharp, D sharp, F sharp. Oop. Like that. Now, we can use the repeats here, actually. So let's do left start repeat. And then left repeat 3. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do that, and we can do the same down here. I don't play an instrument myself. I've never played an instrument. No, that's wrong. Story time. I used to learn piano when I was just starting high school. And the reason I was trying to learn piano was because the lady who was teaching me to play piano was the mother of a girl I thought was really pretty. And this was why I wanted to play piano. Almost exclusively why. And it's because the lessons were at their house, if I remember correctly. And my parents were slow to collect me. So I usually got to spend time at their house. And became quite good friends with her brother. Anyway, we broke up and I stopped playing piano. Okay, back here. Let's run this. What does the sound like? Where's the sound? What's going on? Have I got a mistake? Is it repeat start? Aww. Stalker. It's not as bad as it sounds. No, we were friends before that. But yeah. Once we stopped, once she spurned my affections, I lost all interest in learning piano. No, that's the other tab that's muted. It's fine. I'll close that. And I'll pin this. The feels. Yes, it was so bad. I hated it. I basically went home and listened to Linkin Park and played Counter-Strike 1.6 for 3 days straight. That's basically what I did. I was so upset. Okay. Just play Counter-Strike. See my eyes start twitching. I think something's happening there. I think something's happening there. I'm very happy about that. Okay.
Fun. Show you that.
Oh, shush, Tolly. Okay, so it's there and there, which is D and G. And then it goes G to A sharp. Okay. So this is with the right-hand side. I'm kind of doing all the bars together because, to be honest, I failed to tell the difference between the different bars. But anyway, this is the right-hand side, and this goes D, G, A sharp. D, and this is one whole bar up, one whole key up. So this is G, and then A sharp. And this is not D sharp, this is G. D. Let's try this. Okay. Where does this go to? Here and here. It's right next to each other, that's funny. So D sharp, F sharp, A sharp? This is such an interesting composition, and by interesting I mean feels kind of weird. D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. D $4, F sharp, A sharp. What does this sound like? That's not bad. That's not bad. I want this right hand to be a little bit sharper though. That's a really interesting effect actually, I think. I'm not trying sawtooth, but I'll try square to see this. Oh my gosh, my ears are bleeding. Prefer triangle. Let's drop this. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's interesting. I think it's good so far. So this is basically how I intend to learn a little bit more about music. And also, what I want to do is I want to pick... I basically want to make music for games, right? I want to essentially do... Not only music for games, but I want to essentially do what Concerned Ape did and make a game, all the sounds, all the art, all the programming on my own. Because it's really fun to think about games to make and to plan them out. But the thing is, there are so many different disciplines that you need to know. Let me get this off screen because it's... there are so many different disciplines you need to know to produce a game. Like you need someone who's really good at art, and then you need to... so that they can produce sprites and help with animation and just think about that and create this continuity between the characters and the settings, and that the art that you start with in the game is also the art style that you end with in the game, and that it looks good from start to finish. Then you need sound people to do background music, and you're not just copying popular music in 8-bit, but composing original stuff. Music. Different tracks for different settings, or if it's like a single themed game like Stardew Valley where it's all sunshine and flowers, you can have the same sort of theme music, just different like slightly different tracks for that, as long as it doesn't get boring. And then game sounds, and then programming the whole thing. And I've been enjoying programming the whole thing, but I'm useless at everything else. So I want to learn about these things, and that means learning how to codify music like this and produce it sounding 8-bit and come up with something. So what I'm going to try and do is codify songs that are fun for me, from, you know, like character or heroes themes or that kind of thing, and then try and mix and match bits of those songs that I like and try and come up with something that doesn't sound terrible. And then I want to do like pixel art, which is going to be topics of future streams. However, I am going to go. It's been a shortish stream, but it's been kind of fun, and I've enjoyed the participation. So thank you for being here. Thank you for being here and for saying stuff in chat and for asking questions and things. If you had any fun at all in the stream, hit the follow button, because then you will know when I next stream, and then we can have more of that interaction. I'm probably going to, the next time I stream, I'm probably going to show you some of the music that I've made, perhaps in the meantime. And then I'm probably going to work on pixel art. I'm very keen to work on pixel art because I have an idea for a game that I want to do, and I've got to do pixel art. Basically, I'm going to make a few models, try and animate them, and try and put them into a scene that is rendered using a JavaScript library called Pixie.js, which is an awesome JavaScript library. But in order to get this game idea to translate well into the game, I need to see what WebGL stuff Pixie.js supports, because I haven't used any of the WebGL stuff. So that's what I'm going to try and do. That's what I'm going to try and do next time. I would love to make Mario in JS, except that I can't release Mario as a game that I've made. I want to make a game that is mine. Mine. I want to do that. And I've got a cool idea for that. But next time I'm going to continue, probably with pixel art. I'll probably show you some of the music that I've made since then, if I've made anything original since then. So hit the follow button, and you will find out about streams. And I will see you next time. Thank you for being here. Bye.